friends, welcome to Number Corner. All right, let's take a look at our calendar. Yesterday we said how many leaves altogether? Dominic?
22.
How many leaves? Go ahead, buddy. Yeah.
One in the basket and then
Can you see them? How about you come a little bit closer? Maybe come here.
one in the basket.
Oh, there's more than one.
Two in the basket.
Yep, go ahead. 2, 4, 6,
8.
7.
7.
We have 7 outside of the basket and 2 in the basket. So what is today? Tell me what is underneath this square today. What do you think, Camden?
6 and 3 leaves in the basket.
6 leaves where?
In the basket. Outside and 3 leaves in the basket.
So how many would that be all together if we have 6 outside and 3 on the inside? Madison? 9 all together. Take a look.
And I was going to say it was going to be 20.
He is correct. Nice job, buddy. Let's change our date. Help me change our date. Let's first say it. Today is Friday, October 23rd, 2020. We're still in October and we're still in 2020. So what is our date going to be? Maddie?
A 2 and a 3, and you don't have to erase the 2.
What 2 are you talking about? And what
The
number?
front 2.
What number are you talking about? Because we have 2 different numbers here.
You don't have to erase the front 2. Just the back.
What
2.
number is this, Maddie? 20,
2
22. What am I going to change it?
to a 3.
So it's going to be what number, Maddie? 20,
2.
23.
3.
The number is 23. So it's October 23rd, 2020. And we write it 10-23-20. What about our days in school? I just added another X. I'll bring the computer a little bit closer for my friends at home. Take a look. How many days in school? It's my same friends that keep raising their hand. Does nobody else know the answer? Adele, what do you think? How'd you figure that out?
Because you know it's 30. And then there's 10 so that's past 35. And then there's 3 more, which 5 and 3 is 8.
Good job, Adele. So she said, I know that there's 3 groups of 10, so that's 30. And then she said, I can see that this is a group of 5 and 3 more. I know that 5 and 3 is 8. So I know that 30 plus 8 equals 38. Good work, Adele. Does anyone have a different way? Daniel.
10 plus 28 equals 38.
Wow, how did you figure that out? Explain that to us.
I knew there was 10 and then
Here's 10.
I counted on to 38.
Good. So look at this, my friends. That's a group of 10, and then he can see that there's 20 and 8 more. So we know that 10 and 28 equals 38. Good job. Who is a different way? Camden?
So put 30. Plus 18 equals 38.
Let's try to figure that one out. You said 30, so I'm going to use this to help me. You told me that 30 plus 18. Okay, here's our 30, right? 3 groups of 10. Oh, 18 would be a group of 10 and 8 more. So is that right? No. What should it say, buddy?
30 plus 8 equals.
Yeah, 30 plus 8. We have that one. Good. Yep, because otherwise if we have another group of 10, this would be filled, right?
Wait, 8 plus 30.
Oh, we can switch it and go this way. Good. We can make this math equation different by doing 8 first plus 38. Oh, not 38. What would it be? 8 plus 30. Good job, friends. I want you to tiptoe and grab your whiteboard and eraser and come in front of the smartboard. So I'm going to move it over to the smartboard. So friends at home, we're going to be playing a game. And you're going to help us play at home. We're going to be using cubes, so you should just be looking at the smartboard here. And this is where I'm going to play. We should be in bubble space. Our markers are down just like Daniel. His eyes are on the smartboard. Good job. We look ready. So here's how we play the game. Mrs. Owen is going to put some cubes on here. How many cubes do you see? I don't want you to blurt. Ooh, we have hands raised quickly. Lucas, how'd you know it was 6 so fast? You what? He said 3 and 3. Look at 3 on top, 3 on the bottom. We know 3 and 3 more is 6. Here's what we're going to do. Mrs. Owen is then going to cover this up. How many are under there again? Show me with your fingers. How many are under there again? I'm seeing lots of friends go like this. I'm seeing this or this. That all or. We could go this, 4 and 2. That equals 6. So we have 6 underneath this piece of paper. I am going to add 3 more cubes underneath here. How many cubes do I have underneath that piece of paper now? I want you to write it down on your whiteboard and then turn it over. Think about it. You know that there was 6, and then I added some more. How many are under there now? We're not blurring, buddy. I put 3 underneath there. When you're done, I want you to cover your board, and at home you could write it down or you could say it out loud, but you should be playing this game with us. Show me your boards. Adele, how did you get that? What did you get? Say it out loud.
9.
How did you get 9?
Because if you had 6 and you had 3 more, 9. I counted at 8, 9.
Oh, so she put number 6 in her mind. So put 6 in your head, and she counted on, it's called. So she went 6, 7, 8, 9. Did anyone get it a different way?
That's what I
Did anybody get it a different way? Maddie?
8.
Oh, the answer is actually 9, but I'm wondering if you got it a different way. So you knew that there was 6 and Mrs. Owen added 3 more. Lucas, what did you do to get your answer? Oh, you counted by 3s. Do that. 3, 6, 9. Good job. Because we could put them in groups of 3. You're right. Look at. So he knew that 3 and 3 is 6, and then Mrs. Owen said, oh, I want to add 3 more. So he added 3 to it. Look at 3. Say it with me. 3, 6, 9. Good job. Let's try another one. So I'm going to put these cubes all back. Now how many do I have up there? Yep, you should have your markers capped and your boards raised. How many are on my board now? Dominic? How'd you figure that out so quick? It seems like you barely even thought about it. Oh, you put them in groups of 4. 4 and 4 is 8. Did anyone do it a different way? Madison?
I counted by 2.
You counted by 2s. Count by 2s with me. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we know that there's 8 underneath this piece of paper, correct? I am going to add some more under there. So you have 8 underneath your piece of paper. And I am going to add how many more? 4 more underneath this piece of paper. How many do I have all together? Write down your answer. So I have 8, and I added 4 more. How about you write your math equation for this one? 8 plus 4 equals what? How many are under there now? Don't worry about you, buddy. Good job, friends. Hold up your boards for me. Good. Daniel, how did you get your answer? Read your equation for us.
I had 8 and then I counted 4 more.
So you started with the number 8 and you counted on? So do that with me. 8, put 8 in your mind. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you read your math equation for us?
8 plus 4 equals 12.
Good job, but here's what I'm seeing, friends. I'm seeing some of you write 12 like this. Hold on.
That's 21. That is 12.
Oh, it's hard to see. What number is that up there?
21.
Dominic? 21. Look at, we know that's not right because it's telling us there's 2 groups of 10. 10, 20, and 1 extra 1 would be 21. How do we make the number 12? Madison. 1 and then a 2 because we only have 1 group of 10. 10, and then 11, 12. So don't mess that up because that's a whole different number, right? All right, first graders, you can erase your boards and head to your desk. Nice work. Have a great weekend, friends.